question was asked in JEE Advanced. The question was very simple if the concept was known. Otherwise, they very difficult questions, very time consuming. It will take much time if somebody know only the general process, not any tricks or techniques. In that case, this problem will take at least 5 to 6 minute time to get the answer. This question was like that, the beta naphthol. I suppose everybody know that it's called beta naphthol. It's called beta naphthol. Beta naphthol is an acidic compound due to the presence of the hydrogen oxygen bond. This hydrogen oxygen bond is highly polar because difference of electronegativity between hydrogen and oxygen is very high. Therefore, this oxygen hydrogen bond easily can be broken, and that's why it can generate the H plus ions, which makes this beta naphthol an acidic compound. And sodium hydroxide, obviously it is known to everybody, it is a base, a strong base. Therefore, when an acid reacts with the base, what is the product? Obviously it is salt. The product, you need to identify the products, and then the question was asked, total number of resonating structures possible for the product A. So first of all, we should identify the products. Obviously, the product is here, a salt. No confusions. Acid when react with the base, it gives a salt. Everybody knows that. Even students of class 5, class 6, it is known to them that when acid react with the base, it gives salt. But here, the second part is very important. They are asking to find out the total number of possible resonating structure for this particular structure. How to find that? Within a few seconds. If you know the techniques, we can count it. Here the answer will be, I suppose, 9. Your answer will be 9. If you know the technique. But if you do not know the technique, how to solve this particular problem? Let me explain a little bit the general process. Then I will come for the techniques. If you do not know the process, the technique will not work. First of all, you should have a basic knowledge for the general process. Therefore, let me solve this particular problem by the general process, and you count your total time, how much time I am taking. Obviously, if I take the 2 minutes time, you will take the 4 minutes time necessarily. Therefore, let's try for the general process. How to calculate total number of resonating structure? The first molecule is this. We will start from this initial molecule. We need to see the conjugation. Here there is a negative and pi bond conjugation. Therefore, the second resonating structure will be like this. This negative will form the double bond. These double bonds will make it negative. Therefore, the second structure will be like this. Here double bond. This carbon will become negative. Other bonds remains as it is. The second structure. If we continue that, again this is negative pi bond conjugation. Therefore, this negative will form double bond. These double bonds will make it negative. Therefore, the third structure we are getting will be like that. This will be your negative. This is double bond. Here double bond. Other bond remain as it is. Now, from this particular point, we have conjugation into different path. The conjugation, negative and pi bond conjugation, can proceed either through this particular direction, or it can proceed through this particular direction. Therefore, we need to go for the resonating structure in both the direction. Let us first consider this particular direction. Therefore, from that, if I go for the resonating structure, next structure will be your, like that. The other bonds will remain same. There is no changes. Only the changes takes place through the conjugation. We are going for this particular direction conjugation. Here there is a negative. Here there is a pi bond. This negative will make it double bond, and these double bonds will make it negative. These double bonds will make it negative, and other bond will remain as it is. No changes. Now, this negative and pi bond conjugation, this negative will make it double bond, these double bonds will make it negative. Therefore, the next resonating structure will be like that. Other bond remain as it is, no changes. Regarding the other bond, there is no changes. Here I did a mistake. The pi bonds was here. Other bond will remain as it is, no changes. Here there will be double bond. This position will become negative. Now again, this negative will make a double bond, these double bonds will make it negative. Therefore, the next structure will be like this. Next structure will be like this. Here double bond, here double bond, here double bond. here double bond, here double bond, this carbon is negative. Similarly, the next structure will be your negative will make it double bond, this double bonds will make this atom negative. Therefore, we'll be getting like this. We'll be getting like this. Other bonds will remain as it is, no changes. We are getting here. This oxygen will become again negative. By this time, we got how many structures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. But here I told you after this particular positions, the conjugation was in two different directions. Either this direction as well as this direction. Now we have done through this particular direction. This direction is left behind. Now we need to complete the resonating structure with this particular direction also. This particular direction also. Therefore, with these particular directions, if we proceed for the resonating structure, what we will get? It will be like that. Let me draw with a different color of pencil so that we can understand properly. We can make a distinction. This negative will make it double bond, and this double bonds will make it negative. Therefore, the next structure will be like this. Other bond will remain as it is, no changes here, no changes here. Here, no changes. Here, no changes. This negative will make this bond double bond, and this double bond will make this carbon negative. We are getting one more structure. Now you see, this negative and this pi bond, there is a conjugation. Next structure will be this negative will make it double bond. This double bond will make this oxygen negative. Therefore, we will be getting the last structure. You will like that, I suppose. Check it. Double bond. This position will remain same. This position will remain same. This will become double bond. This will become negative. There are now, I suppose, total number of 9 structures, and not a single structure is the repetition of any structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can check. No structure is repetition. All are different. All are unique. Therefore, total number of resonating structures we got 9 by the general process. It took around 3 minutes time for me. Therefore, for a student who will be solving this particular problem in exam hall, obviously he or she will take at least 6 minutes time. But we do not have that much of time. This particular problems, if we know the technique, we can solve in second. Now I am going to discuss the technique. How to find out the resonating structure without drawing all these particular structures. Just seeing the structure, we can tell total number of resonating structure. In this case, when a benzene ring is there, and outside the benzene ring, there is a particular atom. Benzene ring is there, and outside the benzene ring there is a particular atom G, any kinds of atom. If this atom G contains either negative charge, or if it contains positive charge, or if it contains lone pair, this G is a particular atom which is directly attached to the benzene ring. This G may contains negative, positive, or lone pair. Benzene, 1 benzene ring, 2 benzene ring, 3 benzene ring, whatever the number of benzene ring. Outside the benzene ring, there is a particular atom. The atom directly attached to the benzene ring. This atom may contain negative, positive, or lone pair of electrons. In that case, total number of RS, very simple. RS means resonating structure. Simply, we need to count the number of corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 corners. Simply, we need to count only the corners of the benzene ring. And RS is total number of corner minus 1. Therefore, here total corner was 10 minus 1. Therefore, answer was 9. Simply count the number of corners, and minus 1 will give you total number of resonating structure. For which case, where there is a benzene ring, either it can have 1 benzene ring, 2 benzene ring, 3 benzene ring, and with that particular ring, there is a particular atom attached to any one of the corners, and that particular atoms may contain negative, positive or lone pairs. Negative, positive or lone pairs. In all these three cases, very simple, just count the total number of corners and subtract 1. That will give you total number of resonating structure. It will take hardly 10 seconds. But if you do not know the technique, it will take around 6-7 minutes time. This is how we can calculate the resonating structures within a few seconds. I hope you people understood, and you can try. I am giving you a particular problem, you can try for that. I am giving a particular problem, you can try for that. You will take hardly 10 seconds. For example, if I ask for this particular molecule, I hope you know the name. This molecule is aniline. This molecule is aniline. Here the G is here nitrogen, directly attached nitrogen, and this nitrogen contains lone pair. Nitrogen contains lone pair. Here G is your nitrogen, the atom directly attached to the benzene ring. G contains the lone pairs. Therefore, here RS will be total number of corners. How many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, RS will be 6 minus 1, that is 5. It took hardly 5 second time. Similarly, you can do one more problem. Suppose this problem you can solve that. Chlorine. Here the G atom is the chlorine, and chlorine contains lone pairs. Therefore, here total corner is 6. Therefore, RS will be your 5. 6 minus 1, 5. This is how we can calculate resonating structure within a few seconds. Thank you.